There is something truly profound about the way an empath's heart mirrors the rhythm of the seasons. I was feeling that sharp protective instinct the moment the air turned cold and this storm that's coming towards us got bigger and bigger. By providing for the wild ones when the earth locks its treasures under the ice and snow, you aren't just feeding bodies, you're making your connection into the fabric of the earth, of the other creatures, of all that there is. This image of Linda walking the shoreline, offering substance where the salt water freezes, feels like a sacred ritual of stewardship to me. There is a bridge between our worlds, and when we are aware of that bridge, we can sense things like the stashes hidden under the snow, which allows us to act as a guardian for those who cannot ask for help. When you offer a warm fire or a bowl of soup to your community, you are grounding the high vibrational empathy into tangible comfort. We aren't separate from others in nature. We are its hands and heart. May the warmth you give out to the world return to you tenfold.